Hey everybody, coming back at you with another Streamelements widget. This time we are going to let you bonk people. How this works is somebody in chat will say something like bonk you and then put in a username. Looks something like this. And there you have it. The one that I did is through Sammy and a bunch of all this other crazy stuff, but I made this a Streamelements widget so it's a lot easier for people who don't have all that stuff set up. So let's go ahead and get started. If you watched these videos before, you will probably guess that the first thing that you need to do is to make a new overlay, or not, that's your choice. But you'll go in, you go to custom widget, and then we'll start copying stuff over. So this is in my github.com/swolecat/se widgets, and today we're going to be going into Bonk. So we'll copy over the files. Then we'll hit done. If you guys don't know what just happened there, please watch my video about how to set up a custom widget. That will sort of explain everything. All right, so now that we got that, we can make it as big as we want. We'll do bonk for our command, and then you just do bonk and the username, no at, right? Bonk swolecat, and it'll look like this. You might have to play around with the size a little bit to get it to look exactly how you want, but generally it should be good to go. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you guys find any bugs or have any suggestions or anything like that, please let me know. I will catch you guys later. Bye.